Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a Folio project share to share with you guys. And it's really cute. I will have a tutorial coming up at some point. I haven't done it yet. I have all the measurements written down. I was just kind of making it as I go because I was trying to use up scraps. Lately, I've been going through like my project cart and just finding a bunch of scraps that I have not used, probably from a couple of years ago. They're not even like from last year, because last year I did really good with using my scraps before I wrote off a paper collection, but it's like from 2 years ago, if not more, that I just have these scraps and I need to get them used up because they're killing me. And there's just so many scraps there and I just want them gone. So that's what I've been trying to do. So I, for this folio, use this collection called My Favorite Fall by Echo Park. I have a couple of like little scraps left over, and they're cute. So I have a little bit of these, but that's it. Like, I don't have a lot. There is one cut apart in here, which is cute. And I have the sticker sheet somewhere. And yeah, I can make a couple of cards with this, but I was thinking I could just, I don't know, put this away with my fall stash of a bunch of like random fall scraps and maybe still make something else. Or as I accumulate more fall scraps, I could do something with it, because right now it's looking very slim because I made this project, but then I also made something else that I will share with you guys in another video. But this one I wanted to do separate because this one is just this collection. So let's get started, and I'm going to show you guys the album I created. All right, so this album measures 5 inches by 7 1/4 with a 1-inch spine. The back side, you guys know I love to do my hexagon backgrounds, and I recently put up a video on how I make my hexagon background, so I will have that linked down below in case you guys want to make one too. But I love just using the hexagon background as a way to use up even more scraps, and it looks so pretty with all that gold foil. Also, like, it's gorgeous. I also love how this cover turned out. So I used some stickers and I cut apart, so it says Hello Fall. I used this cute little deer, matted it onto some black cardstock. Same thing with the sentiment that says grateful, and both of these are popped up on some foam. And then there was like this like little sticker piece that I just added there. Added some jemmies. You guys see all my stitching around. I think it turned out really cute. It's also got this ribbon tie closure. It's like an orange gingham. And so this opens up and looks like this. And I have an angled pocket here with a 3x4 size booklet. So you could fit 3x4 size photos on here perfectly with some of that black border still, just like I have on the cover. And this says, I think I love fall most of all. I did not add a white photo mat because I was thinking you could either write with white or add in 2 photos, and I think that would be super cute. You could even add a photo to the back or do your journaling on the back, which is what I might do, like what I would do maybe, like add 2 photos here and then add my journaling to the back, so it's kind of like hidden. And then I also have this larger size booklet where you can fit, I believe, a 4x6 photo on here. Yeah, and you're still gonna have some space left over. Yeah, because this is 4.5 by 6.5. No, 4 3/4 by 6.5-ish. So you could fit a 4x6 photo here if you'd like, and then do some journaling on the side. So you could add that photo, do some journaling. You could do it on both sides. You could do it on the back as well. So there's definitely space for photos and journaling on here as well, and some good size photos too. Here I've got this cute little deer cut apart, and I have a swing tab closure here to kind of keep them closed, and then you can add 2 photos here to each side. Okay, and then I also left that top open, which, you know what, I want to add a tag in there. Okay, so I die cut out 2 tags. And let's see which one fits better. So that one's like a tighter fit. I would definitely do maybe this one here instead. And that just looks cute. Like, you could have a tag right there and 2 photos here, and that's adorable. Maybe I'll just add this other tag in the pocket, I guess, because I already die cut him out. So this is available in my Etsy shop, but in the listing, you're not going to see the tags because I just added them and I had already listed this, but they will be included. And so this is like a center page here, this right there, and then this flips open. You could add a photo here. You've got a couple more booklets here. Fall is in the air, and pick your own pumpkin patch. And those just are in this pocket that I created here because I had quite a bit of cut aparts. You could add another photo here. And then here we've got a waterfall, and it just says, "Oh, fall, it's nice to see you again." And I didn't have a lot of paper left, so I didn't mat the whole thing, which is fine because you could add your 3x4 size photo in here anyway. I'd probably do something smaller so you could still see that border piece. So I'd probably make your photo like 3 3/8 by 4 inches. No, sorry, 3 3/8 by 3. So I would cut off probably like a good 1/2 inch because these are about 1/2 inch. So if you want to still see those borders, that's what I would do. But yeah, this is just a waterfall, so you could fit another 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 photos here. And then what I also did is I turned this into a belly band. And again, you have another large booklet here where you can fit 4x6 size photos. And this measures 4 3/8 by 7, I want to say. So they are a good size. You could definitely fit a good amount of photos into this folio. So yeah, that is my whole folio. Like I said, there will be a tutorial coming up at some point. I don't know if it's going to be one of my Scrappy Christmas Crafts video tutorials or if it's just going to be a separate tutorial. I have no clue. So whenever I get to it, I'll get to it. So we'll see. But stay tuned for that, for whenever that comes out. And yeah, if you guys are interested, check out my Etsy shop. And otherwise, that is it. So I will see you guys in my next crafty video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.